Johnson to Wilson on W001, lead engine 6065 southbound main track. TSX Johnson's permission through Tower Work Authority on the Abbeville sub between the SG 550.1 and the SG 555.0. Track will be clear for you, maximum speed permitted for your train, over.
Alright, understand W001-04, we're leading into CSX 6025, Wilson on the copy. Understand we got permission through Mr. J.T. Johnson, Work Authority from the SG 550.1 to the SG 555.0. Maximum authorized speed for our train over southbound.
That's good copy, 1556, over.
Alright, good copy, 1556, we appreciate it.
I got you off your space, Johnson now.
Thank you.
W001, look good by Johnson.